let's calculate this integral 1 over cube root x plus the square root of x dx. I'm going to start off with a u substitution right from the beginning. I'm going to say u power 6 is equal to x. Okay, a different kind of u substitution. And now what I'm going to get is that 6u to the 5 du is going to equal to dx. And now we can also write the cube root of x and the square root of x. The cube root of x will equal to the cube root of u to the 6, which is just going to equal to u squared. And the square root of x is just going to equal to the square root of u to the 6, which is just going to equal to u cubed. So now we have all the ingredients to rewrite our new integral in terms of u. So we're going to have 6u to the 5 du is dx. So we're going to put 6u to the 5 du up top. And down bottom we're going to have cube root of x is u squared, and the square root of x is going to be u cubed. Now what are we going to do? So let's try to cancel something from the top and bottom. Simplify our problem a little bit more. So we're going to take 6u to the 5 du by u cubed plus u squared. Well, let's factor out a u squared on the bottom. So we get u squared times 1 plus u on the bottom, and on top we can actually put the 6 out, so we're just going to get u to the 5 du because the 6 is a constant. And now what we're going to get is we cancel, we're going to get 6 times the integral of u cubed divided by 1 plus u du. Now there's a number of ways of handling this integral. Drop down in the comments below which one do you really like to see. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to use, you can use polynomial long division, but I prefer the following, which is another substitution. Let's call it a w substitution. The w substitution is going to be, the substitution we're going to do to simplify this is, if the sum was on the top, we could then separate out the fractions and do it term by term. But the sum's on the bottom. So how are we going to solve this? Very important integral trick to know. What you want to do is you want to set w is equal to 1 plus u. So therefore, w minus 1 is equal to u. Okay, w minus 1 is equal to u. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make the denominator just a w. And also, of course, I would say dw is equal to du. So that makes the denominator just w, and it makes the top a sum of terms, which we can now expand out. So let's do that. Let's do that sum. So we're going to get w is 1 plus u. So w minus 1 is u. So we're going to get 6 times the integral of w minus 1 cubed dw divided by w. So let's now expand out the w minus 1 cubed using the binomial theorem. So what we're going to get is we're going to get 6 times the integral of w cubed minus 3 times w squared plus 3 times w minus 1 divided by w dw. So that's the binomial theorem, expanding the cube of the difference. And now what we can do is, the whole point of doing this u substitution was to get the sum on the top rather than the bottom. So now we can expand everything out. We're going to get 6 times the integral of w cubed over w is just w squared minus 3 times w plus 3 minus 1 over w dw. Okay, and now we've gotten this far. What we can now do is we can now integrate this. We can anti-differentiate this just using the power rule. So I'm going to now start doing that on this side of the board. Let's now do that. Let's expand everything out. So we're just going to get 6 times the integral of that. So we can do it term by term. Okay, so I'm just going to do it term by term using the power rule for anti-differentiation. So we're going to get w cubed over 3 minus 3w squared over 2 plus 3w, and then minus 1 over w. The integral is going to be minus log of the absolute value of w. So we're going to get minus log of the absolute value of w. And of course, everything is going to be plus a constant. So we're going to get to that at the end as well. So now we can expand everything out. What was w? W was equal to, if you remember from the beginning, the bottom we had 1 plus u. So w was equal to 1 plus u. W is equal to 1 plus u. And u was going to equal to, u to the 6 was equal to x. So u was equal to the 6th root of x. So we can say this is 1 plus the 6th root of x. So let's now continue writing this out. We're going to write it as 6 times. W is going to be 1 plus the 6th root of x power 3. So w cubed divided by 3 minus log of the absolute value of 1 plus the 6th root of x. But we could assume at the beginning that x was positive because we're taking the square root of x. We're doing a real integration. So we can just omit the absolute value and then just write this as log of 1 plus the 6th root of x and plus a constant. So that's going to be the answer. Super cool integral. You know, something that looked simple has now gotten something pretty messy. It wasn't pretty obvious at all. The 6th root would come in this way, but it does. Cool exercise if you'd like to actually differentiate this and check out what comes out. But thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see another super cool integral, check it out. It's going to pop up on the screen here. It's going to be another beautiful integral. I'll see you in that video.